Good morning to all. I am Mrs. Vinati Subramanian, working as the Assistant Professor of Chemistry in Thiru Kolanjiyapar Government Arts College, Virudhachalam. Today I am going to talk about a brief account on organic compound. The name of organic compound is substituted aryl azo imidazole hydrazine derivatives. Okay. Now we are going to see what are the steps involved in this process. So first, synthesis, characterization and biological studies of substituted aryl azo imidazole hydrazine derivatives. Okay. First we see the introduction part. So what is the introduction means? The heterocyclic compounds of imidazole derivative is mainly used for the preparation of chemical and biological properties. Nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur containing heterocyclic compounds are the key building blocks used to develop compounds of biological or medicinal interest to chemists. Imidazole derivatives are widely used to pharmaceutical, agrochemical research and drug discovery. Components in dyes, antioxidants, copolymers, bases and ligands. These derivatives are extensively used in cosmetic, textiles and biomaterial industries. In addition to that, they have pharmacological activities such as anthelmintic, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory. The substituted imidazole hydrazine derivatives are widely used to the rich system of biological building blocks such as histidine and the related hormone histamine and therapeutic properties. The wide range of therapeutic properties encourages the medicinal chemist to synthesize more number of therapeutic agents. Next, we are going to see the review of literature. 2-hydroxyphenyl 1,3,4-oxidazole act as a hypnotic and sedative drug. Some material applications of 1,3,4-oxidazoles are in the area of photosensitizer, liquid crystals and organic light emitting diodes. For instance, 2-amino-1,3,4-oxidazole act as a muscle relaxer and shows anti-myotic activity, and also analgesic, anti-inflammatory, anti-convulsive, diuretic and antiemetic properties also exhibited by 5-aryl 2-hydroxymethyl 1,3,4-oxidazole derivatives. Several oxidazole derivatives synthesized by Kurihara and Kovacs are reported to possess hypoglycemic activity and found to be less toxic than corresponding antacids. Srivatsov et al. Have reported that 2 substituted 3,4-oxidiols and their derivatives are active as a antifungal and antiviral agents. Symmetrical 2,5-disubstituted 1,3,4-oxidiols synthesized by Sharma and Kovacs were screened for CNS depressant and anticonvulsant activities. Next, objectives. Synthesis of various derivatives of substituted aryl azo imidazole hydrazine following literature method. The chemical structure of the compounds synthesized could be established on the basis of elemental analysis and IR, NMR and mass spectral studies. The compound of the above type will be tested for antimicrobial activity against different strains of pathogenic organisms by following literature methods. Preparation method, that is experimental method. Preparation of 2-methyl-5-nitroimidazole hydrazide. The 2-methyl-5-nitroimidazole hydrazide is obtained by refluxing the 2-methyl-5-nitroimidazole with ethyl chloroacetate in dry acetone in the presence of potassium carbonate, and subsequent hydrogenase is with hydrazine hydrate. The reaction is here. And another method also used to synthesis of 2-methyl-5-nitro-4-phenylazoimidazole. First step is the required benzene azodiazonium chloride is prepared by following literature method. That is para-aminotoluene, presence of HCl, we get 1-methyl benzene diazonium chloride. The second step is 2-methyl-5-nitrophenylazimidazole acetic acid hydrazide is prepared by coupling reaction between benzene diazonium chloride and imidazole hydrazide. Okay. Next, if we synthesize any organic compound, we have to first analyze the biological activity. Biological activity of that compound. That is more important, because according to that results only we have to apply, that is we have to use that compound in medicinally, industrially, or whatever suitable. So we are going to I am going to tell about what are the biological studies. What are the studies are present in this method, and there are several methods. But in this our organic compound, we have to must analyze antimicrobial studies, antibacterial studies, antifungal studies, and anti-cancer studies. So first one, antimicrobial studies. What is antimicrobial studies means? Imidazole and its derivative are reported to the activity, cardiovascular activity, analgesic and anti-inflammatory activity, anti-neoplastic activity, and fungal activity, enzyme inhibition activity, anti-filarial agent, antiviral agent, anti-ulcer activity. Next, antibacterial studies. The antibacterial activity of the newly synthesized imidazole derivative is carried out against 4 different pathogenic organisms. 2 each of them gram negative and 2 each of them gram positive. They are what is they are written? Number 1, Streptococcus and Bacillus subtilis. These 2 are gram positive. Next, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. These 2 are gram negative. The MIC value for the newly synthesized compound is analyzed by serial dilution method. Next, antifungal studies. Antifungal activities carried out on the fungus Candida albicans using the same above procedure. Okay, thank you.